What's up, YouTube? This is the Whisk of Water channel. My name is Chad. Time for an update on the AlumaCraft Maracaibo project. I decided I'm not really going to film individual projects and do episode by episode based on a project. I'm just going to give project updates along the way, unless there's something that that kind of maybe stands out, like maybe putting in new carpet and seats and stuff like that. But otherwise, I'm just going to go through what I've been doing, what I've been working on, and just update on the status of the boat. So just in case you're here for an update on Thirsty Whale winter projects, those are coming. I just haven't had a chance to go up to Sturgeon Bay since the boat got hauled out a couple of weeks ago, about 2 weeks ago now. Those will be coming as I get the opportunity to come up there, or to go up there, probably in early to mid-December, I think would be the earliest I'll have an opportunity to go up there. So look for those as we end the year and go into 2023. But for now, let's take a look at the Maracaibo project. All right, we'll start up front here. You can see the wiring is stripped off the trailer. That's all set aside for now. I'm not sure if I'm going to reuse it, probably not. It was kind of a mess to begin with. The wire is usable, so it's probably just going to go in my my wire bin. So I think I mentioned this last time. I did remove the plastic rope that was used around the winch there. So moving up here, I have the hood for the anchor removed. That is right here. I did some straightening on it, and I've got it pretty close to where it needs to be. It's just a little bit off at this point. I think I'm gonna have to put it back on and just kind of bend it back straight and then take it off again to refinish it. But we'll set that aside. I've also got the nav light and mast pulled off, which is right here. Everything's in good shape here. I did add an O-ring to the bottom of this mast. I thought it attached by a bolt. I thought maybe the nut was loose, but you can see it installs with a quarter turn with a pin, and there's a fiber washer and a plastic washer inside there, and I added a rubber O-ring to sturdy that up. So now the mast is nice and tight. The windshield is off. I haven't cleaned this up yet. I'm going to use some acetone to clean this rubber channel up. The rubber is actually in really good shape. It's very pliable, no cracking or anything, so that's all good. I haven't removed the cleats yet. I'm gonna have to have some help to do this. These actually might come out with just screws. They might be screwed into the frame here, but that one is in place with nuts and bolts. Same thing with the air horns. Haven't got those removed yet because I need to be on the inside while somebody's on the outside. Got the steering wheel removed. Engine controls are hanging off the side there, and I did remove the wood for the flooring. I just wanted to make sure and get this all cleaned up, and I think I will reuse the flooring, which is down there, but I will probably replace the stringer boards, I guess is what you would call those, because they're a little bit soft. But the plywood itself was in really good shape, so I will get this cleaned up further. All I've done at this point is shop vac it, but I will wipe it all down with some acetone or something like that, and then probably just spray some rubberized paint or maybe some Flex Seal or something like that over the top of it just to recoat it. I think that sticker that was there before, I think that was already off the boat in the last video, but that was a kind of a fish measuring sticker with some really old fishing rules for the state of Wisconsin. So that's been removed. I did remove the anchor winch that was mounted there, along with there was a pulley that was right there, and another pulley was right up in here. I just removed those so I could paint the boat without having to mask those off. Going back to the stern of the boat, remove the cover to the control box, the electrical box back here, just to inspect it. Everything actually looks pretty good. And from what the previous owner told me, This engine does run and runs nicely. It just doesn't want to shut off. So I don't know if there's an issue with the cutoff switch or if there's a grounding issue, but they essentially had to flood it in order to shut the engine off. So I'll be looking forward to digging into that at some point. But just general cleanup back here. It was really, really dirty. Same thing with the splash well. It was dirty, got that cleaned up. So that is the current status of the boat. Oh, I also did just find out, I looked up the, I had to move the engine all the way to one side so I could get the model number. It's a 35516, which means this is a 1959 Evinrude Lark 35 horse engine. And the cowl that was on this boat was incorrect for the model year. It was also not painted correctly. It had kind of a cool paint job on it. But that cowl was for a 59 or 60 Johnson 40 horse Super Seahorse motor. So I did just find a correct cover for this engine for the 59 Lark 35. So that'll be here soon. And I'll probably do some refinishing on that. But here's a picture of it anyway. So everything's kind of coming along here nicely at this point. Again, here's all the cleaned up wiring, well, missing wiring because they pulled it all out, other than the new leads that are part of the new lights. I got the other fender pulled off, which is right there. And we'll get in and clean this up a little bit more. So that is the general update of the project at this point. And I will do another update on the boat here pretty soon. The only other thing I did that I didn't show, the windshield is over there. I did stop drill that crack. So thanks for watching this quick update episode of the Wisco Boater channel, the Maracaibo 14-foot AlumaCraft project. We'll see you next time. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, send me some comments, and if you want to be notified when I post new videos like this one, hit that notification bell. Happy boating, everybody.